Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
We will change an all rights reserved footer in WordPress safely and cleanly. First, make a full backup of your site and database before making any edits. Next, use or create a child theme so parent updates do not overwrite your changes. You will locate the footer, PHP file, or relevant widget or plugin that outputs the phrase. I will guide you through 3 methods that suit different skill levels and hosting setups. Method 1 edits footer. PHP in a child theme using FTP or the file manager. Download the child theme and edit footer. PHP with a plain text editor, then upload changes. Method 2 applies a snippet via the customizer or a code snippets plugin without touching theme files directly. Add a small function to replace the footer output safely. Method 3 replaces text through a translation or string. Test changes on a staging site and verify across desktop and mobile sizes. Check links, styling, and make sure caching is cleared after each change. Use clear license text like Creative Commons or custom notice with year and owner in place of all rights reserved. Add the exact year and copyright holder name, for example 2025 your name. Document changes and keep backups for quick rollback if problems occur after rollout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.